When we think about metabolic diseases like diabetes and insulin resistance, we were talking about that before. Normally, like when people talk about this, insulin's involved in fat storage, insulin's involved in taking glucose from the bloodstream and taking it into cells for storage purposes. Does insulin also affect in any like direct way fat and cholesterol, or is it mostly about taking glucose from the bloodstream and transforming it into a storage form?
Insulin regulates fat and cholesterol in a lot of different ways. So insulin is a primary driver of fatty acid synthesis and triglyceride synthesis in hepatocytes. So insulin promotes the production of lipid. If you think about that, that makes sense because if insulin is responsible for clearing glucose out of the blood, it also then supports the conversion of that excess carbohydrate into a good storage form for excess carbons, which would be lipid.
Right. So in other words, if you're going to take glucose out of the blood, you either have to use it to burn it for ATP production, but if you've got more than enough, then you have to transform it somehow to store it because we don't store glucose per se.
That's right.
Got it.
And people with insulin resistance and diabetes have a lot of changes in their